Breakthrough in gene therapy, promising results in animal models for multiple sclerosis. Multiple sclerosis, MS, sclerosis and plaques, is a chronic autoimmune disease that affects the central nervous system. While there's no cure, there are treatments that target the genetic and immunological aspects of the disease. Genetic factors and treatments. Genetic susceptibility. The most consistent genetic determinant identified is the major histocompatibility complex, MHC. Specific haplotypes like HLA of DR2 and HLA of DR11 are associated with susceptibility and protection, respectively. B-cell-directed therapies. These therapies target B cells, which play a role in the disease's immunopathology. Medications like rituximab, ocrelizumab, ofatumumab, ublatuzumab, and belimumab target surface molecules or molecules necessary for B-cell activation. Emerging treatments. Monoclonal antibodies. Treatments like eculizumab, inebilizumab, and satralizumab have shown promise in managing MS, particularly for specific subtypes like AQP4 IgG seropositive and MOSD. Gene therapy. While still in the experimental stage, gene therapy aims to address the underlying genetic causes of MS by modifying or repairing defective gene. There have been some promising experiments with gene therapy for multiple sclerosis, MS, in animal models. One notable study conducted by researchers at the University of Florida used a gene therapy technique to prevent and reverse MS in mouse models. They used a harmless virus to deliver a gene coding for a brain protein called myelin oligodendrocyte glycoprotein, MOG, into the livers of the mice. This led to the production of regulatory T cells that suppress the immune response responsible for attacking the myelin sheath. The results were quite encouraging. The treated mice showed near-complete remission of the disease, and after 7 months, they showed no signs of disease, compared to untreated mice that developed neurological problems within 14 days. When combined with a drug called rapamycin, which helps promote regulatory T cells and block undesirable effector T cells, the effectiveness of the gene therapy was further improved. These findings are significant as they demonstrate the potential of gene therapy to treat MS and other autoimmune disorders. However, it's important to note that these experiments are still in the early stages, and more research is needed before gene therapy can be considered a viable treatment for humans.